My name is Eric Faut. I'm a German guy, and we opened a shop 4 weeks ago in Miami, a big, nice motorcycle shop with a lot of brands, Boss Hoss Cycles from USA, Boom Trikes from Germany, and Royal Enfield from India, and custom bikes like this, very attractive custom bikes I built by myself in my shop, and we have a very huge $1 million showroom. I started in Germany in '93 with my shop House of Thunder in Germany, and moved last year over to Miami. I'm thinking about what can I build, what crazy kind of bike can I build, and then okay, I need a little bit time for this and bring it on a paper, and then I construct it and start to build. The least expensive is what I built was $10,000, and the most expensive is $200,000. It's the bike, the Miami 69. It looks like Miami with flamingo and art deco. That is $200,000. Each bike is unique.